Bum 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 ba. Welcome to our brand new society.
We're all as happy as can be.
United are we in our cardinal values three. Yes,
Welcome to the OSC.
You're probably wondering, what does OSC stand for?
OSC stands for the things that we stand for.
they're the three guiding principles that we strive to uphold in our community.
Always for order, I keep things organized.
S is for safety, that way nobody dies.
C's cooperation, not competition. That's the key.
That's the key.
At the OSC.
The total satisfaction is our guarantee.
Welcome to our brand new society. We're all as happy as can be. Welcome to the OSC. You're probably wondering, what does OSC stand for? OSC stands for the things that we stand for. They're the three guiding principles that we strive to uphold in our community. Always for order, I keep things organized. S is for safety, that way nobody dies. C is cooperation, not competition. That's the key. That's the key. At the
Yes, welcome to the OSC. What does OSC stand for? OSC stands for the things that we stand for. They're the three guiding principles that we strive to uphold in our community. Always for order, I keep things organized. S is for safety, that way nobody dies. C is cooperation, not competition. That's the key. That's the key. At the total satisfaction is a guarantee.